You just bought a brand new lightning fast SSD. You're ready for those 2-second boot times, but then reality hits. You realize you have to reinstall Windows, hunt down every single driver and pray you don't lose your software licenses or 500 gigabytes of data. Most people think this is a weekend-long project. They're wrong. I'm going to show you how to migrate your entire OS and every single file to a new drive in under 10 minutes with a 100% guaranteed boot. No formatting, no reinstalling, just a few clicks and a few minutes of waiting. Let's speed up your system the right way. Before we start the process, we need to address the non-believers who say, "Alex, why can't I just copy-paste my C drive?" Here's the technical truth. Windows isn't just a collection of files. It's a complex architecture of hidden boot sectors, recovery partitions, and EFI logs. If you miss one single byte during a manual move, your system is bricked. To do this, we need a tool that performs a sector-by-sector clone. I'm using EaseUS Disk Copy today because it's the only tool I trust to handle the bootloader without corrupting the OS signature. The interface is clean, it requires zero technical knowledge, and it's literally just a few clicks to a perfect clone. Let's get into the surgery. After downloading the software from the official EaseUS website, which you can find in the description or the pinned comment, I'll run it as an administrator, and the UI pops up. You'll notice I'm using the portable version, which requires no installation. Just run it and you're good to go. Here we have two main options: selecting a source disk and a destination disk. If you're migrating from an HDD to an SSD, your source is the HDD and the destination is your new SSD. Let me quickly show you what else this app can do. On the left, there are three modes. First, disk mode, which, you guessed it, clones disk to disk. Then we have system mode, which only copies your OS. Finally, my favorite, partition mode. You can choose a specific partition and clone it to another media. There's also an emergency disk option to create bootable media for rescuing a crashed PC. Now, back to disk mode. First, select your source drive. This is the old, slow disk that's been testing your patience. In your case, you'll select your HDD. Since I'm showing you this in a controlled environment, I'll select this virtual machine disk, which I'll clone to my USB 3.1, literally creating Windows to go. Next, select your target drive. That's your new SSD, or USB in my case. Keep in mind, this will wipe the target drive to create a one-to-one digital twin of your system, so make sure it's empty. The final step is a crucial pro tip. Select auto-fit the disks and then hit proceed. At this point you'll be asked to enter a license code. Since I already have the license key, I'll enter it and the process begins. While the software works, it's not just moving files. It's creating an identical digital fingerprint of your hardware ID. Whether you're migrating a massive HDD to a smaller SSD or a virtual disk to a USB, EaseUS handles the migration perfectly. Okay, the drives are swapped. If I plug this USB into another laptop, I should be able to boot directly from it. Let's hit the power button. If we did this right, we should see the Windows login screen. And there it is. Everything is exactly where we left it. Your desktop, your open tabs, your game saves. But if you just migrated to an SSD, the latency is gone. Now, if you see a no bootable device error, don't panic. Just enter your BIOS, usually by tapping F2 or delete, go to Security tab and temporarily disable Secure Boot. It's a small detail, but it's the difference between a successful upgrade and a massive headache. Now let's jump into the best part of this video. I'm going to perform a digital lobotomy to prove this is 100% genuine. If I unplug this USB right now, Windows should freeze completely, because it's running directly from the USB instead of the internal SSD. Watch this. I have a few seconds to click on some random executables and nothing happens. The system is currently hanging. But the moment I plug the USB back in, they open immediately. This is the ultimate proof that our clone is alive and running perfectly. How cool is that? I want to thank EaseUS for sponsoring this operation and providing the license key. I only partner with tools that I actually use because in IT, reliability is the only metric that matters. EaseUS Disk Copy is lightning fast and most beginner-friendly tool for the job. If you're ready to upgrade, check the link at the top of my description. Download the trial and see how much life you can breathe back into your hardware.